My dear children, this is the continuation of SQL. This is the module 2. Dear children, please refresh your memory with following key terms. What is SQL? Structured Query Languages. What is its features? It is used to create databases, tables, and also it is used to modify the records. Then, what are the data types available in SQL? What are the processing capabilities of SQL? What is data definition language? Data manipulation language? How to join one or more tables? My dear children, we are going to deal with all these key terms. Let me discuss about structured query language. It is a language that enables you to create and operate on relational databases. It is the standard language used by almost all the database software vendors. Vendors are nothing but the sellers, those who sell databases. It is pronounced as SQL. The original version was developed by IBM Almaden Research Center. The latest version released in the year of 2008, so that it is named as SQL 2008. Coming to the features of SQL, it allows creating and modifying a database structure, changing security systems for a DBMS, permitting users for working on databases or tables, querying a database, inserting, modifying, deleting the database contents. Coming to the elements of MySQL, that is, what are the key terms of SQL elements? The first one is literals. Second one is data type. Third is null. Fourth is comments. What do you mean by literals? Literals are values which can be used in SQL. Literals may be alphabets, numbers which include decimal points, or the combination of alphabets and numerals called alphanumerals, and symbols like brackets, plus, minus, asterisk, division, remainder, underscore, semicolon, comma, space, and single quotation mark. What are data types? It specifies the types of the values used in a specific column. It may be int or decimal for numbers. It may be char or varchar for strings, and date for date type values. The third element is null, which indicates a cell doesn't have any value. That means nothing in a cell. My dear children, please remember null is not equal to 0. 0 having its own value. Then the fourth element is comments. Comments are non-executable instructions which is used to give the documentations. It is non-executable instructions by the compilers of SQL. My dear children, in this module we had discussed what is SQL. It is a language. What is its key features? What are the key elements of SQL? The elements we will discuss in depth in upcoming modules. Thank you.